How to allow or block a sign-in by a Microsoft family member in Windows 10. Microsoft Family provides the security and surveillance your family needs in an online environment, and you can take it one step further by controlling who can sign in. Here's a guide on how to allow or block a sign-in by a Microsoft family member on Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why you should limit sign-ins to Microsoft Family. As more children begin to explore the internet, it is up to parents and guardians to ensure they can surf it safely and securely, and thanks to Microsoft Family, doing so is much easier. There, you can configure your settings to limit screen times, prevent unauthorized access, and approve permissions. However, these settings can be easily modified if a user knows how to sign in, which is why limiting access in Microsoft Family is just as essential. And there are two ways to do just that. How to change sign-in settings on Microsoft Family. One way is to do it online. Go to the Microsoft Family Safety homepage, click on Family, and select a member. Find the Sign into this PC option, toggle Allow or Block, and click Save. Another is through Windows settings. Head to the Accounts section and find Family and Other Users. Again, select a member, toggle Allow or Block, and save. Do note that this method requires admin controls under the account's official family organizer. Alternative methods to limit access to Microsoft Family Host. However, suppose that you do not want to block the user entirely. Here are two options to try out. You can temporarily disable the account using Command Prompt. Run the program as an admin, type the following command shown on screen, and replace with the name of the account. You can also limit the screen time by configuring the screen time feature of Microsoft Family. From there, you can select your daily or weekly schedule and set limits for the device. Controlling who can sign in with Microsoft Family adds another layer of protection for your family's online activities. For more information, check out our official blog post on Allow or Block Microsoft Family Sign-In Windows 10, linked in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this.